all-new 2014 Cosmo Insulated Series pads offer a level of comfort, easy setup, and versatility well beyond a typical camping pad. Available in 30, 25, and a brand new 20-inch wide model, the new Cosmo Insulated Series now accommodates backpackers carrying smaller, narrower two-person tents. The integrated foot pump features one-way intake valves. Valve covers can be secured in the open position for pumping. To inflate, place your foot in the center of the pump and pump until inflated. In about 1 minute, Cosmo Insulated's large air chamber will inflate to firm pressure. Use the small valve to fine-tune the pressure to your preference. A layer of Primaloft creates a consistent and even insulation layer to protect from cold. Horizontal baffles in the Cosmo Insulated series run across the pad perpendicular to your arms, legs, and body, making their contours barely noticeable. A raised pillow baffle offers stability, support, and side sleeping comfort. When you're ready to pack up, release the dump valve and roll up the pad.
This is the Schrade SCX-5 Tactical Hatchet. The SCX-5 is sized as a light-duty, full-tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK5 high-carbon steel tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SCX-5's pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps, or lash it to gear. A lightweight hatchet with an overall length of under 13 inches, designed with robust capability, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SC.
The last thing you want when spending time in your backyard are uninvited guests, like mosquitoes. Candles and torches don't seem to work. Sprays are messy and unpleasant. Instead of stopping mosquitoes on your skin, what if you could stop them in flight before they can bother you? Introducing Thermacell Patio Shield. It surrounds you with a 15-foot zone of mosquito protection, and it's so easy to use. Patio Shield uses a fuel cartridge and blue Thermacell repellent mats that contain a version of a natural insect repellent found in chrysanthemums to keep mosquitoes away for hours. First, remove the cap from a fuel cartridge and insert it into the Patio Shield. Next, slide the repellent mat into place. Then, twist the base to turn on your Patio Shield. Wait a few seconds and twist to the start position until it clicks. Finally, check the view window to see that the flame is lit. The heat generated by the fuel cartridge is directed to the mat, activating the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat disperses the repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours. When the blue mat turns white, simply replace it with a fresh one. Once you're ready to turn off the Patio Shield, simply twist the base to the off position. Millions of users trust Thermacell to keep mosquitoes away, and so can you. Thermacell stands by our products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So say goodbye to sprays and say hello to Patio Shield. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing. Cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
This is the American Press. Originally, I was inspired by solving the problem of coffee presses that were messy and frustrating to clean, and pod-based brewers that were mess-free but provided no connection with the brewing experience and generated thousands of tons of landfill waste. Along the way, I discovered the visual beauty of crafting hand-pressed coffee within an American press. Watching water transform into coffee as you press is truly unlike anything you've seen or experienced before. It's a hands-on experience that engages sight and touch in anticipation of the smell and taste of fresh brewed coffee. The coffee itself is clean and complex, with aromas and flavors preserved by forcing water through an enclosed, reusable pod and an ultra-fine metal filter. Setup is quick and easy, and because the American Press brews as you press, there's no waiting. Just press and pour. And when you're done, true to solving the original problem that inspired us, our patented reusable pod technology keeps mess contained and waste out of landfills. So the American Press is easy to clean and eco-friendly too.
Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.